So what is Stamped? Why get Stamped? And how does it work? Stamped isn't just another dating app. It's a relationship improvement platform designed to help people better understand themselves, better understand others, and build healthier relationships through accountability, transparency, and reputation intelligence. Because the best relationship decisions are made with more than just first impressions. So, why get Stamped? Stamped gives you deeper insight into the qualities that matter most. Communication, trust, accountability, emotional maturity, and much more. By combining reputation intelligence with accountability and meaningful relationship insights, Stamped gives you another layer of information before deciding who deserves your time. Now we all know that photos can spark attraction and conversations build connection. But character will eventually reveal itself. Just imagine knowing more before the first date. Imagine understanding how someone communicates, how they handle conflict, and how they're viewed through real relationship experiences. That's the idea behind Stamped. Taking a look here, the reputation intelligence helps you understand the qualities that photos can't show. Notice how this person's profile isn't just a picture and a short bio. The green box at the top represents this user's ratings given to them by others, averaged out in total. And clicking into it allows for you to not only see how many users have rated them, but also each category's rating. And down below that, represented here is a spider graph showing this user's areas in contrast from what they rate themselves versus what other people's experience of them are. Lower others' ratings can be seen as a moment of concern. The reputation intelligence also allows for you to see this user's top 5 traits and the areas that are lowest that need growth. Scrolling down even further, the reputation intelligence even tells you if you are a good fit with this person. It even gives the friction areas. Most dating platforms still rely on the same basic formula, but the qualities that matter most are usually the hardest to see. Until now. And when people know their actions matter, behavior changes. If you're ready for a different approach to dating, one built on accountability, personal growth, and reputation intelligence, download Stamped today. Stop guessing. Start knowing. Because when it comes to relationships, it's receipts over red flags.